Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be implementing the nav section of our web page. This is going to be a quick video as we just have to add in 4 elements and then place them in the right order. So first things first, we go over to the CSS file. Then we want to change the background color to be the same as the header. Next, we want to take out the border radius, set that to 0. Next, we want to display the border at the top of the nav bar to separate the header from the nav section. For that, you do border top style, set that to solid. So let's change the color to black. So border color, set that to black. So it's looking a bit too thick, so we're gonna reduce the width. So border width, set that to thin. So we don't want the nav bar to be as wide as the header, so we're gonna reduce that to, let's say, 5. Yeah, that looks okay. So next, let's add in the elements of our nav bar. Over on the HTML file, we're gonna take out the nav. We're gonna add in a tag, and it's gonna be in the class nav item. And then this one should say home. So Ctrl+C. We need 4 of it. 3, 4. So the next one's gonna be, let's say it's a sales page. So let's do product. And next one, let's do about. So let's do contact. There we go. So we want to align this to the far right of the page of the nav section. So for that, we need to set the display to flex. And then justify content. Set that to flex end. And then align items. Set that to the center. So now the nav items are looking a bit too big and misarranged. So let's change that to class nav item. So first things first, we want to change the font size. Set that to 20 pixels. Set the position to relative. And then let's set the left to -90 pixels. Next, let's set the margin left to 10 pixels, so it's not too close to each other. So 10 pixels. And then the margin right, let's set that also to 10 pixels. Okay, that looks okay. So I don't like the underlines, so we're gonna change that. So text decoration, we set that to none. Okay, so lastly for the nav section, I would like to add in an animation that makes the text bigger when you like over the text and underlines it when you select it. So for that, we need to use the hover link. So it's the class colon hover. So now text decoration, set that to underline, and then transform scale, set that to 1.1. There we go. But if you select it, nothing happens, so let's fix that. We just copy and paste this. Hover, we change this to focus. There we go. So now if you select it, it stays. There we go. Okay, so 2 more things before we conclude this video. I noticed some inconsistent fonts on the web page, like this and this, they're not the same. So to fix that, I'm just going to go over to the top and then set a font style, a font family actually, to Times New Roman. There we go, that's better. And then lastly, I would like this to move more to the left. So I'm going to go over to the bottom of the nav items. Let's try -100. Okay, that looks good. So that's going to be for this. And in the next video, we're going to probably go over the side of the article, but that's going to be for another video. In case you have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comments below. And if you want to keep seeing my videos, be sure to leave a like or subscribe so you can keep seeing my videos. So for now, have a nice day and thank you for watching.